Tonight, a court hearing proving how every vote matters. The recount for Arizona Attorney General's race came down to less than 300 votes.
A judge announcing that Chris Mays has won the AG's race. Our Nicole Grigg with today's developments, including the rural county that undercounted hundreds of votes.
If you want to bring that up, that'd be great.
Inside the sealed envelope was the recount results for several races, but most eyes on the Attorney General's race. You can hear the judge opening the envelope as those final numbers revealing an undercount of votes. The difference between Chris Mays and Abe Hamadeh after the election was 511 votes. After the recount, the difference was cut down to 280 votes. Our ABC15 election analyst, Garrett Archer.
The whole reason of a recount is to find these sort of issues. Remember, elections are run by humans and they are conducted as far as voted by humans. And so there's a lot of ways that things can go wrong when humans are in control of every single aspect of the process.
Pinal County had the biggest difference in vote count. During the recount, Hamadeh gained 392 votes and Mays gained 115. But it still left Mays with the most votes. Her attorney representing her in court at the recount.
But if Chris Mays wins by one, she's the Attorney General, right?
Pinal County saying that there were several different issues that led to the undercount of votes, calling the differences human error. Possibly 100 or more voters had some type of issue checking in. And they say some ballots were not being tabulated for different reasons, including some because of paper jams. But Chris Mays saying she's ready to be sworn in next week.
That work is done, and it's time now to move on. The election has been finalized. The election has been certified by the counties and by the Secretary of State's office. And I'm looking forward to raising my right hand and taking the oath of office.
Hamadeh was not in court today, but he did take to social media where he says that his legal team is exploring all their options. As for Mays, she says she's already been working on her transition. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15 Arizona.
There were 3 races under state-mandated automatic recounts. The other ones were the race for Superintendent of Public Instruction and Legislative District 13. The recount did not change the results of any of the races. Statewide recounts are rare. Before this, there have only been 3 statewide recounts in Arizona history.